Hey bosses, in this video we're going to walk through your main booking page. This is your main booking page if you're on a solopreneur account or if it is a seat under a company account. Here you have your header image. Over here your profile image. Of course your name and title. You have your social media links. You have your contact button to use the contact messaging system. You can put text, office hours, links over here on the side. Here's your menu, which you could click on, which will take you to different parts of your booking page. Over here you have your main video. And you do not have to have a video if you do not want to. Here you have your About Me text. And this section is where you have your appointments. In the next section you have your products and services. And if you click the Book Me button, then you could book right from this page. Or if you want more details about the service that it is, you can just click on details and that will take you to the page. And of course you could click the little arrow to bring you back to your home page. In the next section we have our events. This is where you're going to post your webinars, live events, classes, etc. Next section we have our testimonials. This is where you're going to put your best testimonials. Then you have your frequently asked questions section where you're going to post your most frequently asked questions. Then you have a gallery section where you can put up to 10 photos and just click on it. You can see the large versions of the pictures. Then you have your Facebook comments section. And then in the bottom you have your footer where you have 4 different sections in your footer. On the left you have your social media icons and your copyright information, and then in the 2 middle sections you can put text or links, and then on the right you have where you can put your logo. And that's a breakdown of your main Book Like a Boss page.